Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. Today in Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe we're gonna do today, guys. Just a easy recipe, nothing too hard. Maybe at home or you're hungry, you want to look after some lunch, you can look after the lunch for the family and everybody. So in Selvin Kitchen we're gonna do a grilled baguette with minced beef. Over here we have one small minced beef we're gonna use, 500 gram. We have 1 cup of grated cheese. We have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil you want, it's optional, it's up to you guys. We have half a teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have half a teaspoon of oxtail season. We have a pinch of black pepper. We have a pinch of salt. We have 2 stalk of spring onion. We have 2 mushroom. We have 1 white onion. We have 2 small tomato. We have 4 cloves of garlic. It is the baguette we're going to use, people. So in Selvin Kitchen, guys, an awesome, delicious recipe coming up. Yes, people, so I'm just gonna season up this minced beef now. I'm just gonna mix around my all-purpose season, my oxtail season, my black pepper. I'm just gonna mix around everything together because I want all of the season to combine with one another. But before I do that, I'm just gonna get a spoon and separate the beef. I just want to separate the beef together, like get all of that lumps out of it. Just give it a mix with a spoon, and then after, I'm just gonna add in my powder season. So I'm gonna add in my powder season. And then I'm gonna use my spoon and mix around my powder season in it. It's optional. You can use your hand if you want, and you can use the spoon if you want. But today I'm gonna use a spoon to mix around all of that powder season inside that minced beef. And then after, I'm gonna leave it to marinate for around 10 minutes. So it's a beautiful, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. You guys can check it out because not every day you wake up you wanna eat rice, you want to eat flour, you want to eat pasta, you just want to try something new. So check out this recipe, guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Yes, people, so I just put on that frying pan, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to it. As I said before, I'm using a vegetable oil. You guys can use olive oil, or you guys can use any type of cooking oil. It's optional. It's up to you guys, what you prefer, what you taste. You know that when you come on to Selvin Kitchen, guys, there's a lot of awesome, delicious recipe come out on Selvin Kitchen. Thank you guys to keep on support Selvin Kitchen. All my new subscriber them, thank you very much to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen. And guys, please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it, because in Selvin Kitchen we're always doing something new, people. We have a lot of awesome delicious recipe coming out. So now I'm just gonna burn off my onion. So it's a very easy recipe we're doing today, nothing too hard, not a long recipe. If you're at home with your family or with your friends or anybody, you want to look up a quick sandwich and you want to have 2 beer, this is something easy to do. Yes, people. Let my onion burn off for around a minute. Yes guys, so my onion will burn off for a couple of seconds. So now it's just gonna add in my mushroom and my garlic. Just add in the mushroom and the garlic, people. You know that a mushroom and garlic don't really take long to cook. So that just mix that around a bit. So share the video with your friends and family, people. Tell them about Selvin Kitchen. This guy has some awesome, delicious recipe coming out soon. And please check out the rest of the channel for the rest of my beautiful recipe that I have there, guys. And please give me a thumbs up for the video. So now I'm just gonna add in my beef. Give it a nice mix. I'm gonna mix in all of that garlic, all of that mushroom, that spring onion. Yes guys, this is a beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen today, guys. Nothing too hard. There's no flour today, no rice. Sometimes it was fed up at the flour, sometimes it was fed up at the rice, fed up at the pasta, fed up at the, you just want to have something new, you just want to try something new. So this is for all of my people that want to try something new, want to eat something different, want a different recipe, just tired of the same old recipe every day. This is one is for you guys. So you can try this recipe, and anybody try this recipe, please send me a video and let me know how this recipe turned out. Selvin Kitchen. Yes people, so I just cut up the tomato, I just cut up the spring onion, and my beef is here coming down nicely, people. Can that? Beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen we're doing today. A very easy, delicious recipe. Yes people, so I'm just slicing up the tomato. Don't slice them up too big. Beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. Anybody try this recipe, please do a little small video, send it to me, let me see how you guys do the recipe or it turned out. Anybody try this recipe and you guys like it, please send me a comment same way. Let me know. That's scared to send me more than one comment, people. So I'm just gonna add this in the pot. Yes guys, so my beef is cooking for the last 5 minutes. It's okay, you don't want to give it no more than 5 minutes because we're cooking minced beef today. So now I'm just gonna add in my tomato and my parsley. Just scrape it off. It's a beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen we're doing, guys. And I add in my spring onion. Give it a nice mix, give it another 2 minutes. Got a beautiful color there, people. So I'm gonna give that another 2 minutes there and ready to go, guys. Yes guys, so my minced beef is all finished now, so I'm just gonna add in the cheese. So that is 1 cup of cheese, guys. pardon me, is optional. You guys can use the refined grated cheese. I'm using a grated cheese as well, but you guys can use a different type of cheese. It's optional. Or if you don't have that one, you can grate your cheese at home, or you can slice up a cheese and put it in the minced beef, let it melt out in it. So look what I'm doing. I'm just gonna mix around the cheese in it. So I want all of that cheese to combine with that beef together. Oh my God, guys, you want to smell this flavor come out of this. Beautiful recipe, guys. Just gonna add a little bit in my hand. That tastes nice, people. Beautiful. So yes, guys, I just put in my cheese in my beef. I just mix it around and make everything combine together. So now I'm just gonna cut this bread in two. I'm just gonna cut off the top of the bread, and then I'm gonna take my hand and take out the middle of the bread, and then I'm gonna pack it with my minced beef and put it in the oven for 15 minutes, guys. This is a beautiful recipe in Selvin kitchen. So guys, make sure you have a sharp knife when you're cutting the bread, because this bread, when it get cold, is very hard to cut. So make sure you have a sharp knife and take your time and cut it, because you don't want to cut through this bread. Beautiful recipe, guys. Yes, people, so what I do now, I just cut off the top of my bread and just use my hand to pick it out. Oh my God, this bread is so tender and nice, people. I can't stop eating this bread. So now I'm just gonna add in my beef to it. You guys can try this recipe and tell me what you think. So yes, guys, so I'm just gonna fill my bread right here, guys. Just gonna stuff it up right up there. Remember, the beef is cooked already, and all of the seasoning is in already. I put in the cheese in, so the cheese already melted in the beef already. So you can try this recipe, give it to your kids, them guys, and tell me what you think, and tell me if your kids them like it or you guys like it. Just send me a comment, guys, and please just take a look, a mini video of it and send it to me. Let me see it, or the video turn out. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, guys. And pack all of that beef to it, with that cheese and everything just melt out in it, guys. So yes, guys, so my oven I've been pre-warm already. So now I'm gonna put this in this tray. Then I'm gonna put it in the oven, guys. Be careful when you take it up, you don't want it to break up. So I'm just gonna put it in the oven. I give it around 5 to 10 minutes in the oven, people. Yes, guys, look at that, people. I just take it out of the oven. I spend the total 12 minutes in the oven, and I just take it out of the oven, people. I let it cool off a bit before I cut it because it's quite hot. That's a beautiful sandwich today in Selvin kitchen, guys. Beautiful recipe. So you guys can check out this recipe and let me know, and please give me a thumbs up for the video, guys, and please share and like the video with your friends and family, because you know that in Selvin kitchen, guys, we are always doing something new. Beautiful recipe in Selvin kitchen. Yes, guys, what I'm gonna do now, people, are just gonna cut him up, just gonna slice him up. Oh, yeah, that crispy crackling. Yes, people. Oh, beautiful. Just gonna put him on his plate, people. Look at that, guys. Try this recipe, people, and tell me what you think about this recipe. Beautiful recipe, guys. Beautiful recipe. Yes, guys, that's it. That's a beautiful recipe, guys, in Selvin Kitchen. Nothing too hard. It's a very easy recipe. So you guys can check out this recipe. Send me a comment and let me know what's going on, guys. Go in Selvin Kitchen. We're always doing something new. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Love, Selvin Kitchen.
Like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.